What's up guys, it's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today we are tackling one of my most common questions. How do you keep your knives sharp? I'm going to show you guys how I do it with Work Sharp. When you cook a lot like I do, especially in the backyard barbecue space, it's super important to have sharp knives, and it's actually a lot easier than you think. The E5 from Work Sharp is a sharpener designed for the home cook. No more whetstones, no more sending your knives off to have them professionally sharpened. This is something that you can utilize in your home kitchen to make your knives sharper and safer, your cooking more efficient, and definitely more enjoyable. Let's talk about what this thing does. The E5 uses belts to sharpen your knife, just like the professionals use. You simply tap the power button 3 times to completely reshape and sharpen your knife if it hasn't been done in 2 months or more. 2 clicks to give your blade a nice, fine, sharpened edge if it already has the right shape. And 1 click just to refine and polish if you already have a sharp knife. So I'll sharpen mine and show you what a big improvement it makes. This is my favorite chef's knife. I have not sharpened this thing in a while, and I have been using it and abusing it specifically so that it will get nice and dull so I can show you guys how to sharpen it. As we can see right now, I mean, it'll get me through a tomato, but it doesn't have super fine edges. It's been used and abused. We're gonna run it through the sharpener. I'm actually gonna shape and sharpen, and then I'll show you how great this thing is. My knife is sharp and ready to go. Of course, it's gonna work great on tomatoes, but a sharp knife will serve you in every aspect of your kitchen cooking, especially as we head into the holidays when so many people are gonna be cooking for their friends and family. Having the right tools and sharp knives is gonna help you so much. Ooh, it's pretty. If you want to see my full review on the E5 sharpener, including tips and tricks on how you can use this in your own home kitchen, head to my website, HeyGrillHey.com, and I will give you the full rundown, including how you can pick one up for yourself.